This student failed his driving test with 1 critical driving error and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minor errors. I'll go through them one by one. One minor error for steering wheel. The student was putting his hand inside the rim of the steering wheel to turn the steering wheel. That's a mark down. There is a video about steering wheel and all the mistakes that you should avoid in your driving test, which you can watch it here. The other minor mark was for road positioning. When on the ramp he wanted to go to the highway, merge to the highway, he didn't stay in his lane and he was too close to the right hand side. That's a mark down. Anytime you drive on the main road or anywhere there is a lane, you should make sure that you stay in the middle of the lane. The other minor mark was for ending up too far from the curb when finishing the reversing exercise maneuver. You need to finish the maneuver not more than 50 centimeters away from the curb. This student ended up too far from the curb. The other minor error was for turning right position. So before turning right, the student moved to the left side of the road and had a wide right turn. That's a mark down as well. Make sure when you turn right, you move slightly closer to the middle or imaginary line in the middle of the road and then start turning. You don't go to the opposite direction to the left and then turn right. That's a mark down. The other minor mark, very common minor mark for a lot of students, progress. Driving too slow in a 60 zone. This student drove too slow in a 60 zone when he could have gone faster. And the critical driving error happened when the student did speeding in school zone. School zone starts when you see the school zone sign and finishes when you pass a different speed limit sign. Make sure halfway through the school zone you don't pick up your speed. One critical driving error makes you fail the test.